This AI image story account made it over $20,000 in just 1 month, all with the help of AI. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a similar themed page effortlessly using AI. Many videos on YouTube talk about this, but mine is different. I'll share the precise marketing and psychological methods you need to apply for maximum growth and revenue, even if you're just starting. Whether you're into drop shipping or selling digital products, everything can sell if you know what to do. And the best part is, it won't cost you a thing.
Nice.
I stumbled upon this idea while looking for new ways to make money for my business. I was amazed when I saw how much these accounts were making in such a short time. A seller raked in over $100,000 on Etsy in just a few months by selling mid-journey arts and prompts. Exciting stuff, right? So, I thought, why not start a similar AI business, but make it even better? I'll use my own methods to get results faster. Instead of relying on Etsy, which is slow and takes months to show results, I'll use my own creative ways to boost my reach and sales. Get ready to learn a lot. First, we need a good theme for our page. Keep in mind that just asking for ideas for social media theme pages won't cut it. That might lead to suggestions for fitness or finance niches, where AI doesn't play a big role. We want a theme that maximizes the projected revenue a customer will generate during their lifetime. The higher, the better. Using this specific prompt in chat helps us filter out niches where posting AI images won't bring in the most money-making opportunities. We want special pages where people can feel a strong emotional connection. When people emotionally connect with our page, they are more likely to think positively about it, making them more interested in buying our products or using our services. From the results it produced, I particularly liked AI pet portraits, AI family moments, and I love stories. Each of these has a strong emotional appeal, making it easier for us to connect with the audience. I decided to focus on AI family moments and AI love stories because these are untapped markets in AI with significant opportunities. I wanted to find more specific topics for these two areas. Remember, the more focused our audience is, the easier it is to sell and grow quickly. We're aiming for fast results. After exploring various options, I chose AI long-distance relationships. We'll focus on prompts for AI image generation in the next steps. These tools can make almost anything from your ideas, but you have to know the right commands. Typing a long-distance relation on Mid-Journey won't help because it creates low-quality images. We want good-looking and engaging images, so we use AI. Download a Chrome extension called iPerm. Go to chat and sign in. The homepage looks different now, with pre-built options to guide you. Search for Mid-Journey, click on it, type the keyboard you want for your images, press enter, and there you go. A detailed prompt for creating engaging images. It gives 4 different results with different scene settings. Isn't that awesome? Now, copy and paste the first prompt to Mid-Journey. But Mid-Journey costs $10 a month, which many of you might not want to spend when you're just starting out. Don't worry, there's a free tool called Leonardo AI. Visit their website, click Launch App, and then click Yes. Once you're in, go to the login page and log in. Click on the AI generation option, then copy and paste the prompt you got from chat. Hit the Generate button, and you'll see 4 different images. Choose the one you like, click the button to upscale it, and then download it. I heard about someone who got millions of views by following this strategy. We can do the same by creating a touching story about long-distance relationships. People really love that kind of video, making it easier for our content to go viral. Ready to give it a shot? Let's head back to chat for more ideas. Okay, you're asked to write a story. But remember, the story setting will be different depending on the niche you choose. The prompt you wrote might not work, so read through the story you create and try to make improvements down to the smallest details. After that, go to 11 Labs website. It's the best AI voice generator with great free plans. In the free plan, you get 1,000 characters, which is roughly about 2,500 words, more than enough for a month. Copy and paste the script you just made, hit generate, and try out different voices. They offer many for free. Pick the one you like, download the voiceover, then go to Canva, search for TikTok, and create a blank template. Upload your images and the voiceover. Import them to the canvas and edit it the way you want. That should do it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Now, I can't go into all the steps to edit here, but you can check out this video on Canva for a guide. The final video I made.
In the quiet town of Serenity Falls, nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, lived two souls entwined by an ethereal connection. Clara and Oliver, separated by 1,000 miles, found solace in their love that spanned across the vast expanse of time and space.
I plan to share this video on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. I believe it has the potential to go viral since people enjoy these dreamy AI-generated story videos, and there's not much like it on these platforms. Once I build a decent-sized audience, I'm thinking of selling products. ChatGPT suggested some ideas, and I like the concept of long-distance touch lamps and love letter templates. These lamps can make long-distance relationships feel more connected, and people are willing to pay a good amount for such products. This not only helps me make money, but also enhances the buyer's experience. I plan to upload consistently, but not too much to avoid burnout. This method is cost-effective and takes about 15 minutes a day. Subscribe to my channel to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching.